Hi, in this short video, we're going to be going over how to request a completion certificate for a course. And so for the example here, I'm going to look at this vSphere with Tanzu 101 course. And when you get to the closing summary of each of the courses, you'll see a course completion certificate page. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on that. And I can see here a brief instruction on how to submit a course completion certificate. And we're going to use essentially the same process to post a file that we used for enrolling in the course and then for taking tests. And so I'm going to go ahead and clear it into, I can keep this page open. I'm going to right click and go ahead and click open a link in new tab. Okay, so sorry for the interruption, right click here. We'll go ahead and open this link in a new tab. And that'll take me to this certs awarded directory. And just like I did when I enrolled in this course, I'm going to go ahead and click here to add file, create a new file. And we're going to go ahead and name it just like we did when we first enrolled. We'll call this our GitHub username with the .yml extension. This time I'm going to type in status completed. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and click propose new file. Create pull request, and that's all we have to do. And now what it's going to do, now I should have mentioned probably before we started that in order to request the certificate of completion, you do need to have completed all three of the, or, all of the tests in the course. So for example, this vSphere with Tanzu 101 course has 3 tests, so you have to finish all 3 tests. If this were, say, the vSphere with Tanzu 301 course, that course I believe has 5 tests. And so in each course, you just go through, you make sure to complete all the tests that are there. And when what this is doing right now, once you submit your file to this certs awarded directory, it goes through and it checks to make sure first that you have completed all the tests for that course. And then it tabulates all the different answers from the tests and determines whether you've completed an overall 70% grade. And if you've received above 70% grade, it will award you the thing. It'll mark your grade report that it's preparing with a completed grade, and it will make an API call to Badger to provision a digital badge for you. And so you can see here that there's still it hasn't so we could just barely posted the repository, so that's done processing. So we can see here I have a link to the grade report and member repository, and I can click on the grade report. And notice that this gave me my course grade, etc. And then I'll also want to look at, in addition to my grade report, actually we want to go to our home page. So your home page here will get updated. And actually, oh good, it already updated. So now I can see that it's under my ModernApps Ninja certificates. And I can go in here and I can see in this page, it gives me my open badge. So the grade report, it gives me the grade, but as after we create the grade report, the process requests the open badge. And so on this final course record on your homepage, it gives you the link to your certificate. And you can go ahead and click the link to your certificate. And we can see, done. I don't know why it's saying that. That's just must be a temporary error. If this not valid thing shows up again, we'll make sure we fix that. But that is, it is a valid badge, and that doesn't normally happen. So, but that's you get the link. It may be because it just barely got provisioned. It may still be in a provisioning process. But this not valid link will go away just very shortly here, and it will show as valid. But you get that link, and that link will verify that you've got this. And there's also Badger also has a page to verify that a certificate has been granted, and that page is like a general page you can go to, type in your email address, and it will verify that you have completed the certificate of completion. And that is it for requesting a certificate of completion. Thank you.